Right now, the city of Perry is planning to clean up a downtown site on Macon Road with the help of an EPA Brownfield Cleanup Grant. Now, the goal is to make polluted sites ready for new development.
City held a public meeting today to talk about how they would use that grant money. Kalisha Moore has those details.
This cement slab and sand lot will be no more, soon replaced by a public space.
We'll also be able to build more of a campus at that site, because we have the Perry Event Center. Now we'll have the nice green public space.
It'll all be possible through an EPA land grant for the cleanup. The city applied for the grant 3 years ago and were able to start, but now they're applying for additional funds.
We're going to be requesting around $500,000 from the state. We want to continue our work that we've done at the Stanley property.
The work began with assessing the site, collecting samples, and testing for hazardous waste. Now they plan to move into cleanup, and that's where the grant comes into place.
We as the city are able to work with our partners in providing the engineering services required to do that.
To get it done, the city is partnering with Cardno, an infrastructure and development company.
Assess these properties, provide our engineering and environmental services to do the assessments and the testing and to develop remediation plans.
Sam Urban, an engineer with the company, says the site was once a dry cleaners that left behind hazardous chemicals in the soil.
The chemicals are perchloroethylene. That's the main driver out here. Often you'll hear it referred to as PCE. Now
the city awaits federal grant approval, but Smith says they have a plan in mind.
We're going to be going in there, doing the cleanup, grassing it, and hopefully utilizing it for some sort of public space.
In Perry, Kalisha Moore, 13 WMAZ News.
Now, the city is required to match 20% of the grant, meaning it would be putting up $100,000.
If the grant is awarded, soil cleanup and removal will start in November of 2022 and should be finished by the summer of 2023.